Model Y was already the best-selling car on the planet, and the all-new Model Y just got better.
When we set out to redesign the Model Y, we looked at trying to give the car a little bit more of its own unique personality.
One of the first things you'll notice is the light bar. And what this does is push the vehicle to look a little bit wider, look a little more planted on the road. And with this duct, we've been able to widen it slightly and get a little more air over that front tire.
At Tesla, we're always focused on efficiency. What customers care about is real-world driving efficiency. That's up almost 10%.
And we did that by revisiting every single component. These might be the most efficient tires we've made. They have lower rolling resistance, better handling, and less road noise.
And that's coupled to a brand new suspension design, specifically focused on improving ride comfort and especially impact harshness.
We have retained all what we consider Tesla DNA in the form of how the vehicle steers, how the vehicle handles, but at the same time, we have improved the ride comfort. The noise is going to be turned down by at least 20%. This mainly came as an improvement from all the glass area that now is acoustic glass, and as well we have improved all the seals material. We get a better closure.
It also allows the blower to run at a lower speed, reducing cabin noise and consuming less energy.
Giving you an isolated, comfortable ride, so when you drive, you can be in your own world.
We have an industry-first reflective rear lamp that is full cross-car and is reflected onto this custom applique.
So you get this really beautiful puddle of red lights, almost like afterburner behind the car. It's my favorite part of the car. Super excited to see it on the road.
We have an all-new thermoplastic spoiler, much more aerodynamically efficient, so it gives greater range to our customers. We've got a much wider opening, which makes it easier for cargo ingress and egress.
Over 30 cubic feet of storage space like this, extra storage space under the floor. What's even better is powerful flat. All the seats are flat, and I can put in big TV, my bikes, and at a touch of a button, you're back to putting people in the second row seat again. So versatile, so much space.
So this is the new Model Y Frunk. We've made it more utility focused. It has a drain plug at the bottom that you'll be able to open. We also have some accessories coming, so there'll be more use cases that you can enable with this Frunk than before.
At Tesla, we're always designing cars to make sure they're the safest on the planet. We do that not only with passive safety, with 9 airbags, but we also have 9 cameras that are looking all over where you can't see, preventing accidents from happening.
This car comes with the Autopilot 4. It includes a much higher performance Autopilot computer, so new cameras all around the car. It also has a fascia camera down here. It's a 180-degree field of view, so we can see objects coming from either side of the car.
All of this combines to hopefully never get you into an accident, but if you do, you're protected by the best passive safety system on the market, 5-star ratings overall.
We really wanted to integrate the theme of more detail, more premiumness that you're seeing all throughout the interior.
We have ambient light, a million colors, super comfortable seats. They're all new as well, upgraded with heat and cooling. So whether you're being driven or going on a spirited drive, you have a great experience.
You can do more than just drive in your new Model Y. You are equipped with this amazing infotainment system, both in the front and in the rear.
There are plenty of entertainment options here for both adults and kids alike.
And with a new feature that we've just introduced that allows you to pair 2 Bluetooth headsets to their audio that's playing on the rear screen. Kids in the back can watch whatever they want, and parents in the front can have peace and quiet.
And we have 16 speakers, but some of them are actually hidden. This is a much more immersive audio experience. We've developed acoustical transparent materials, and that has enabled us to position the microphones closer to the occupant, allows us to have much better intelligibility for phone calls and voice recognition functions.
We've taken the best-selling car and made it even better.
And it'll continue to get better over time as we release new software updates.
It's super versatile, both inside and out, more distinctive, more efficient. It's just a car that does everything for you. It's like a Swiss Army knife.